If you loosen lobber lips, they keep sinking all my ships. Oh, then you're the one who sank my Lusitane. It was quite different from previous albums. It was all set up like a big jam session at my farm with the band. We weren't planning on making a record. We just wanted to improvise together and work through some new songs, but in the process we recorded. So it's all very live, and I wasn't as fussy about it as I have been in the past. Like the previous 3 records, Mysterious Production of Eggs, Armchair Apocrypha, and Noble Beast, were more carefully constructed buildings, and this was just like play. I like showing an audience a new idea for the first time. So every show has something new in it, music. Every show is different, and it goes with how you feel. You don't just go with the plan just because it's the plan. You know? In this era of it felt so good playing these songs, you know, because you want to make sure, if you spend too much time making your record, and like I said, carefully constructing it, you can end up with music you don't feel like playing every night. So I wanted to make sure I was writing songs that felt, you know, satisfying to play. Technology helped liberate my instrument, you know? I play the violin. It's a beautiful instrument, but especially in a rock and roll context, it has limitations. But with the looping, and it allows me to just explode the possibilities. And I'm playing with Dosh, who is in like the underground electronic scene. He's my drummer. He's a master at looping his own instruments and the keys and the drums, and we just find that we can make music that we're like, wow, how did we do that? You know, it multiplies. On the other hand, there's been kind of a distribution of wealth, and I think it's a double-edged sword. It's helped level the playing field and allows people to find music faster, and on the other hand, if it goes much further in the direction it's going, musicians will become content providers, and doesn't sound very